Is your HP printer suddenly showing error code 0xC4EB827F and refusing to print? Yeah, this can be super frustrating, especially when everything was working fine. In most cases, it's caused by Windows system issue or print spooler service not working properly. In this video, I'll show you two quick methods that can help you fix the problem. We'll first use the Windows troubleshooter, and if the error still shows up, we'll restart the print spooler service step by step. One of these fixes should get your printer back up and running in no time. And if you need extra help at any point, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Now, let's jump right in.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Windows Troubleshooting. Click on the Windows Start button at the bottom left of the screen. Make sure the System tab is selected on the left panel of the Settings window. Now, scroll down through the settings until you find Troubleshoot and click on it. After that, click on the other troubleshooters to see all available troubleshooters. Look through the list and locate your printer. Once you find it, click on the Run button next to it. Now, just wait while Windows is detecting problem with your printer. The troubleshooter will scan your printer and its driver. If it finds any issue, it will automatically try to fix them for you. If the above method didn't fix the issue, no problem. We've got another method to try. Let's move on to restarting your print spooler service, which often resolves printer error codes. Method 2. Restart the print spooler service. First of all, you need to open the Services window on your computer. You can do this by search for Services in the Start menu search box and clicking on the Services app. Once the Services window opens, scroll down through the list of services until you locate the print spooler option. Once you find it, double-click on it to open its properties. A new window will pop up showing the print spooler properties. Look at the Startup Type option and make sure that Automatic is selected. If it's not, click on the drop-down and select Automatic. Also, check the Services Status section and make sure it shows running. If it shows something else like Stop, that might be your problem. The print spooler needs to be running for your printer to work. After you've confirmed these settings, go ahead and click on Apply to save the changes. Then, click on OK to close the Properties window. Now, you need to click on the Print Spooler option one more time and select the Restart option from the menu that appears. This will restart the print spooler service.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.